Today for our read aloud, we're going to read Agua, Agüita, Water, Little Water, by Jorge Argueta. Now this book is special, class, because this book is actually written in two languages. It's written in Spanish as well as English. Every page has the English and Spanish translation. So I'm going to attempt to read both. First comes the Spanish version, and then it'll move right into the English. Mi nombre es agua, pero todos me conocen por agüita. My name is water, but everyone calls me little water. Now you see, agua in Spanish is water, and we can relate those two words. Nazco en el fondo de nuestra madre tierra, de allá vengo cantado, soy gotita. I am born deep in our Mother Earth. From there I come singing, I am a tiny drop. Y de gotita en gotita voy subiendo a la superficie, paso por los poros, me enredo en las raíces, subo por las piedras y viajo por la claridad y la oscuridad. I should probably have one of our students who's more used to speaking Spanish read this part for me, shouldn't I? That means, and drop by tiny drop, I climb to the surface, I pass through the pores, get entangled in roots, climb along rocks, and travel through light and darkness. Me cuelga en descansar en las puntas de las hojas, en los telarañas, o en los pétalos de las flores. I rest by hanging on the tips of leaves, on spider webs, or on flower petals. Me convierto en río, en lago, en mar, de gotita en gotita, subo al cielo. I become a river, a lake, an ocean. Drop by drop, I climb to the sky. De gotita en gotita, subo al cielo. Drop by drop, I climb to the sky. Soy pájaro de agua, de gotita en gotita, regreso cantado a nuestra madre tierra. Soy agüita, soy vida. I am a water bird. Drop by drop, I return singing to our Mother Earth. I am little water. I am life. Soy agüita, soy vida. I am little water. I am life. Isn't it nice to see how we can compare the different words in English and Spanish? The words that mean the same thing in a different language to the language that we might understand. Just like when we're in the classroom and we have all our labels on everything in the classroom. We have our water bottle label, our taza, our cup, right? Our libros, our books, our pointer, puntero, agua, agüita, our pointer, puntero, and our marker, marcador, right? Just like we have our labels throughout our classroom. It's so wonderful to see, and it helps students who may understand other languages other than English to see some of these words in their native languages to understand what the English word is. But it also helps us, if our native language is English, to be able to see these words in Spanish.